subscribe and hit the notification bell. So our target is to find the cube of a binomial.
Live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, I didn't really want to seem, try to find out what it means.
Right. So we have the following step in finding the cube of a binomial. The first step is to cube the first term. In x plus y quantity cube. So we have the first term, we cube the first term, x cubed, plus 3 times the square of the first term times the second term. 3, the first term is x, we need the square times the second term, 3x squared y. Next, plus 3 times the first term times the square of the second term, 3 times the first term times the square of the second term, which is y. And the last is to cube the second term. The second term is y, that is y quantity cube. So if we want to find the value of x plus y quantity cube, we cube the first term, 3 times the square of the first term times the second term, plus 3 times the first term times the second term square, plus the cube of the second term. If we have x minus y quantity cube, the answer is almost the same. It only differs in the sign of the second term and in the last term. So again, almost the same result. It only differs in the sign of the second term and in the last term. So x minus y quantity cube equals x cube minus 3 times the square of the first term times the second term plus 3 times the first term times the second term squared minus the cube of the second term. We are in the first number, 2x plus 3y quantity cube. The first step is to cube the first term, 2x quantity cube, plus 3 times the square of the first term times the second term, plus 3 times the first term times the second term square plus the second term cube. What is 2x quantity cube? That is 2x times 2x times 2x, which is equal to 8x cubed. 3 times 2x times 2x times 3y, that is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. We have 36. X times y is x squared y. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. X times y is xy squared. Then 3y times 3y times 3y equals 27y cubed. Look at the exponent of x. It is 3, 2, 1. Look at the exponent of y. There's no y here. We have 1y, y squared, y cubed. So the exponent of x is descending, while the exponent of y is ascending. We are in the next number, 2x minus 3y quantity cubed. So again, we have the same number, but it only differs in sign. As I have told you a while ago, we have the same result. The only difference is the sign of the second term and the sign of the last term. The sign of the last term will be negative. The sign of the second term will be negative. We just copy the result. So we have 8x cubed minus 36x squared y plus 54xy squared minus 27y cubed. We are on the next number. What is our first term? Our first term is 2x. We cube the first term. Plus 3 times the square of the first term times the second term. Plus 3 times the first term times the square of the second term. Plus, we have the cube of the second term. So we need to multiply 2x here 3 times. And the second one, 2 times. And the third one, we have 1. For y, we don't have y. Then we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So we have 2x times 2x times 2x is 8x cubed. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. X times y is x squared y. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 25, this is 25. That is 150. X times y, xy squared. 5y times 5y times 5y, 1, 2y, y cubed. Look at the exponent of x, 3. This is 2. This is 1. Look at the exponent of y. There is no y. 1, 2, 3. So what is our final answer? 8x cubed plus 60x squared y plus 150xy squared plus 125y cubed. So we are in the next number, 4x plus 5y quantity cubed. Again, we cube the first term. Our first term is 4x, 4x quantity cubed. 3 times the square of the first term times the second term. 3 times the first term times the square of the second term. Then we cube the second term. So we need to write 4x 3 times. 3 times 4x, we need to write 4x 2 times. So here we need to write 5y 2 times. And we need to write 5y 3 times. So we have 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. X times x times x is x cubed. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 4, that is 12 times 4 is 48. 48 times 5 is 240. So we have 240 x squared y. So this is 25. 25 times 12, that is 300. X times y, xy squared. Then 5y times 5y times 5y, 125y cubed. Look at the exponent of x. This is 3. This 3 becomes 2, 1. No more x. How about y? No y. 1, 2, 3. So what is our final answer? 64x cubed plus 240x squared y plus 300xy squared plus 125y cubed. Now we are in the following exercises. I am giving you 3 minutes to answer this one. All right, you may answer it now. All right, now we will answer it. What is the answer to the first number? First number is x cubed plus 6x squared y plus 12xy squared plus 8y cubed. We are in the next number. 125x cubed minus 150x squared y plus 60xy squared minus 8y cubed. We are in the next number. 64x cubed minus 48x squared y plus 12xy squared minus y cubed. We have x cubed plus 30x squared y plus 300xy squared plus 1000y cubed. And we are in the last number. 125x cubed minus 450x squared y plus 540xy squared minus 216y cubed. Right? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching.